In this video, we'll be showing you how to set the price of tickets for an event that is already set up. If you still need to create your event, please see the link to that tutorial in the description below. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From the main navigation, select Admin, Events, and then from the Event Management menu, select Tickets and Products. Select Add Product from the Product Page Manage menu. Give the product a name, SKU, and select the type, and if you wish you can add a description. Then specify the price in the price field and enter a stock quantity. Then click the Add Product button. If you need to change the price of a ticket or product, then click the Product SKU or click Edit Product from the Product Management menu. And that's it, you can now successfully set the price of tickets for your events. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.